Hello, let's talk a little bit about default knowledge influence on operations with artificial intelligence. Humans. Humans are growing, going to kindergarten, going to school, going to university, um, going to work. During all of this period, they are training with knowledge received from all people who lived before. During all this period, people playing games, uh, performing some interactions that allow people to develop common understanding of some conditions, procedures, and requirements to result in procedures with other people inside some specific groups, of course. But of course, there are also some common default knowledge among all the people. And this common knowledge usually is not being directly spoken or directly written in tasks conditions. And this affects task execution very much because basing on this default knowledge, we have specific expectations to procedures and to results, and we transfer these expectations to AI activities as well. And AI doesn't have this common default knowledge at all. Let me show you on simple example. There is an AIMO progress prize. This is competition to train AI to resolve mathematic tasks in faster, better, and so on and so forth. Let's scroll to the problem 3. Triangle has side lengths 120, circumradius 100, perpendicular CD, and let's find what is the possible biggest or greatest lengths of this CD in this condition. Here is expected solution with expected answer 180. But let me show you something. This problem transferred here. We have a triangle ABC, length AB 120, circumradius are 100, perpendicular CD to line AB, and what is the greatest possible length of segment CD in this condition or this condition. This is 1, this is 2. This one that follows expected condition and procedure of the execution is 180. This one, if I remember correctly, 20 or 40, I forget exact number, you can calculate by yourself, but this is also greatest possible length of segment CD in this condition. People who often resolving geometrical tasks can tell me that, oh no, everybody knows, obviously, that greatest means that this AB should be moved in the way that CD will be the greatest length in all possible conditions for all possible combinations of this AB, circle, and so on. But this is not defined in actual task condition. This is built basing on basic human expectation, basic default human behavior, because okay, we usually draw in this big or this shaped triangle when asked to draw some triangle, and so on and so forth, until people will be able to collect all this default knowledge and default conditions and default expectations, and either train AI with this default knowledge and expectations, or define this default knowledge and expectations in actual task conditions that we are giving to AI to cover all the expected behaviors, conditions, and so on. Until then, poor results of AI in resolving math tasks, and not only math tasks, let's be honest, we have default knowledge in all the areas of human activity. So until then, poor results of AI execution are not the 100% of AI fault. It's partially human fault, because actually correct answer defined by AI basing on actual task conditions can be treated as incorrect due to our human default knowledge and expectations. And that needs to be resolved as well. Have a great day.